Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is a Samsung NP300E5A. A few weeks ago I bought this laptop for cheap as a project for the channel. As always, my first plan is to restore it to the fully functioning condition. However, this became a slightly different project. As you can see, this laptop has the back cover and the bezel cracked. The hinges are loose and the worst part is the screen. That is also some sort of cracked as you get a fat line at the bottom and the colors and the brightness are a little bit strange. This model was released with a Core i3 2nd generation, 4GB of RAM, 500GB of hard disk, an NVIDIA GT 520 MX and a 15-inch display. The first thing I try is getting all the parts together to restore this laptop. However, when I get to the screen, the prices are way higher than I wanna spend, even for a used one. So, I move on to the second option, transform a broken laptop into a cool desktop. As always, sit down, relax, and join me in the next minutes to see if we can transform this into a cool desktop computer. Stick around. The first thing we need to do is disassemble the laptop and get all the parts we need to build this project. After we get all the parts, we're gonna clean them and get them ready to be fitted again later on. Once we get all the parts, we're gonna need to build the case. After spending a few hours measuring, drawing and also 3D work, I have managed to get a case model that I like. After that, we send the project files to be cut in an acrylic sheet in a laser machine. After we get all the parts cut in the laser machine, it's now time to assemble the case, so let's move on.
Now, with the case almost done, it's time to prepare the components to be assembled. We're gonna need some thermal paste, install the cooler, the RAMs, the Wi-Fi card, the hard disk, the speakers and the Wi-Fi antennas. Also the power button and the USB small board. we're gonna need to prepare a small LED strip to fit inside the case.
We're now ready to begin the final assembly. The first thing is install the components inside the case. We also gonna need 4 fits to the bottom part of the case. And for the finish, we can now wrap the side parts of the case in white vinyl, put the long 4 screws, tighten them up, and we're done. We literally build a desktop computer. As you can see, with some parts, cheap materials, you can recycle your broken laptop and give it a second life. With Windows 10 installed, we can now use this computer to browse the internet, watch videos and even for light gaming. Also, you can use this computer to connect your TV and transform it into a media center. As always, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see more, please consider subscribe, leave a like and comment. See you in the next one.